it's Sam with WTI. I want to tell you all about this super cool bird feeder that we have. So this is a 4-slot bird feeder. It is for wild birds, as you can see. We have had so many little friends come and visit us with this bird feeder. It's right outside of our kitchen, so my son just loves watching them come and sit on it. It's very easy to take up and down. As you can see, it has a hook here. It has 4 holders, so 1, 2, 3, 4. In order to fill it, you take it down, fill it up in the circle there, and then put it right back. It is really nice and sturdy. I really like this bird feeder, and if you are looking to add an extra bird feeder to your home, I definitely recommend that. And this is my point of view.